This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 9 part 3. In this series we will cover the further MCQs from 81 to 120 about Muslim educational movements and role of other leaders. So let's start with this series. When Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place, options are 13th April 1919, 1st May 1920, 14th April 1918, 15th April 1921. So the correct option here is 13th April 1919. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place on 13th April 1919. Hijrat movement was started in options are 1922, 1921, 1920, 1919. So the correct option here is 1920. Hijrat movement was started in 1920. Treaty of Lausanne was signed in options are 1923, 1924, 1925, 1926. So the correct option here is 1923. Treaty of Lausanne was signed in 1923. After the event of Chauri Chaura, who left the Muslims? Options are Muslim League, Congress, Hindus, Sikh. So the correct option here is Congress. Next MCQ is when Lord Chelmsford took over the viceroyalty of India. Options are 1919, 1918, 1917, 1916. So the correct option here is 1916. Lord Chelmsford took over the viceroyalty of India in 1916. Lala Lajpat Rai, Swami Shraddhanand and Dr. Manoj were the prominent leader of which movement? Options are Shinton, Shuddhi, Congress, Muslim League. So the correct option here is Shuddhi. Shinton movement was started by options are Sarojini Naidu, Dr. Manoj, Dr. Zakir Patel. So the correct option here is Dr. Manoj. Shinton movement was started by Dr. Manoj. Mopla revolt was started in options are Mopla revolt was started in which year? Options are 1918, 1919, 1921, 1922. So the correct option here is 1921. Mopla revolt was started in 1921. Lord Birkenhead was the options are Viceroy, Indian Secretary of the State, Leader, President. So the correct option here is India Secretary of the State. Lord Birkenhead was the India Secretary of the State. Who said Nehru Report 1928 was an attempt to secure predomination of the Hindus over Muslim? Options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Indira Gandhi, Muhammad Ali Johar, Dr. Zakir. So the correct option here is Muhammad Ali Johar. The Nehru Report was published in which year? Options are June 1927, August 1928, July 1927, May 1928. So the correct option here is August 1928. Nehru Report was published in August 1928. The Simon Commission submitted its report in which year? Options are May 1991, May 1930, June 1928, September 1932. So the correct option here is May 1930. The Simon Commission submitted its report in May 1930. The first roundtable conference was held in London from options are November 1928, November 1929, November 1930, November 1931. So the correct option here is November 1930. First roundtable conference was held in London in November 1930. The day of deliverance was observed. Options are December 22, 1939, December 25, 1939, December 28, 1939, December 30, 1939. So the correct option here is December 22, 1939. The day of deliverance was observed on December 22, 1939. The Pakistan resolution was passed on. Options are March 30, 1940, March 26, 1940, March 20, 1940, March 28, 1940. So the correct option here is March 23rd, 1940. The Pakistan resolution was passed on March 23, 1940. Allahabad address was delivered by Allama Iqbal in which year? Options are 1928, 1930, 1932, 1934. So the correct option here is 1930. Allahabad address was delivered by Allama Iqbal in 1930. Second roundtable conference was held in London in which year? Options are 1931, 1932, 1933, 1934. So the correct option here is 1931. Shuddhi and Sanktan movement were started against. Options are Sikh, Muslims, Hindus, English. So the correct option here is Muslims. Report of the Rowlatt Committee was published in. Options are 1914, 1915, 1918, 1920. So the correct option here is 1918. A report of the Rowlatt Committee was published in 1918. Muhammad Ali Jinnah resigned from Indian National Congress in which year? Options are 1918, 1919, 1920, 1921. So the correct option here is 1920, and it is very important MCQs. Muhammad Ali Jinnah resigned from the Indian National Congress in 1920. Mopla revolt rose against Mopla revolt. Mopla revolt rose against. Options are Muslims, British, English, none of them. So the correct option here is British. Mopla revolt rose against British. Shuddhi movement was started by. Options are Dr. Zakir, Swami Shraddhanand, and Patel, and Gandhi. So the correct option here is Swami Shraddhanand. Shuddhi movement was started by Swami Shraddhanand. Chauri Chaura tragedy took place in which year? Options are 1920, 1922, 1925, 1926. So the correct option here is 1922, and this is also an important MCQs. Chauri Chaura tragedy took place in 1922. Simon Commission was sent to India in which year? Options are 1920, 1922, 1926, 1928. So the correct option here is 1928. Simon Commission was sent to India in 1928. On the arrival of the Simon Commission, All India Muslim League was divided into two groups. One Lahore group was led by. Options are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Sir Muhammad Shafi, Dr. Zakir, Liaquat Ali Khan. So the correct option here is Sir Muhammad Shafi. On the arrival of the Simon Commission, All India Muslim League was divided into two groups, and the group of Lahore was led by Sir Muhammad Shafi. The other group of the Muslim League, which was a Bombay group, was led by. Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Dr. Zakir, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Sir Muhammad Shafi. So the correct option here is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So the second group of Muslim League, which is a Bombay group, was led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Nehru report was an answer of a challenge given by. Options are Lord Minto, Lord Birkenhead, Lord Michael, Lord Nazir Ahmed. So the correct option here is Lord Birkenhead. In Nehru report, the Hindus rejected the Muslim demands of. Options are separate electorate, separate nation, separate party, separate class. So the correct option here is separate electorate. In Nehru report, Hindus rejected the Muslim demands of separate electorate. Diarchy was introduced in. Options are 1920 reforms, 1919 reforms, reforms body, councils reform. So the correct option here is 1919 reforms. Diarchy was introduced in 1919 reforms. Massacre at Jallianwala Bagh took place in 1919 on the orders of. Options are General Dyer, General Wavell, General Musharraf, General Tika Khan. So the correct option here is General Dyer. Massacre at Jallianwala Bagh took place in 1919 on the orders of General Dyer. World War I ended in. Options are 1917, 1918, 1919, 1920. So the correct option here is 1918. Montague reforms were introduced in. Options are Lord Wavell, Mountbatten, Lord Nazir, Chelmsford. it must be actually Montague reforms were introduced by Chelmsford. Who was Prime Minister of England during the first Roundtable Conference? Options are Ramsay MacDonald, Cameron, Tony Blair. So the correct option here is Ramsay MacDonald. Second Roundtable Conference was held in, options are 1931, 1932, 1933, 1934. So the correct option here is 1931. Communal Award was published in, options are 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933. So the correct option here is 1932. Communal Award was published in 1932. The recommendations of the Round Table Conference report was published in, options are in 1934, 1933, 1932, 1931. So the correct option here is 1933. The recommendations of the Round Table Conference report was published in 1933. Anand Myth is the name of, options are play, drama, novel, comedy. So the correct option here is novel. Anand Myth is the name of novel. Pirpur report was written about, options are Muslims, Congress behavior towards Muslims, English, Sikh. So the correct option here is Congress behavior towards Muslim. Pirpur report was written about the Congress behavior towards Muslims. Pirpur report was published in, options are 1939, 1938, 1937, 1936. So the correct option here is 1938. Pirpur report was published in 1938. Muslims suffering under Congress rule was written by, options are Fazl Haq, Dr. Iqbal, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, none of them. So the correct option here is Fazl Haq. Muslims suffering under Congress rule was written by Fazl Haq. So these are the 5 questions to test yourself. So just pause the video and solve these questions and compare your answer to just mark yourself. And also I would ask you to give your feedback in the comment section so I can know that you are actually benefiting from this series. Thank you so much.